Alrighty, back in the shop for production day 2. I have all of my turning blanks cut to length and width, and I'm going to go ahead and draw their templates so that I can get them rough cut to round on the bandsaw. And that will save me some time when we get back over here to the lathe. So I'm going to tip the camera down a little bit so you can kind of see where I'm at and what I'm doing. drill together and go ahead and drill these so that you have an idea. I'll do a couple and then I'll just go ahead and finish the batch. That way you don't have to sit and watch me wash, rinse, and repeat yet another step. So I'll get the drill together. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I have put a battery in a bit in my drill, and I've gathered one each, a spindle blank, a plate blank, and a bowl blank. And the process is the same no matter which you're doing. It's just a matter of the awkwardness of getting it done. So let me grab my punch and we'll get right back to it. You don't need the spring punch. I just use it because I've got it and it's handy. As you see, I pre-marked that center, and while you're lining the tip of your punch up, now you want to go ahead and eyeball your mark and make sure that you're happy with where it is. And then do the same on the opposite end. They're never going to be perfect. And then I only drill the end that goes against the drive, so that the spurs on the drive will bite into the end grain, and then I just use the point of the tailstock and push that firmly against the drive, and it should hold. And here you don't want to go in any more than about 1/4 of an inch, and that will do you. And on your plate blank, let's move you down here so you can see. Here again, where your marks cross is going to be very close, but in this case there's a space because of the uneven way that it was cut. So I think right here in the center of this spot is going to be just about my center. Now here, you always want to measure, but I don't like to go in any more than about 2/3 of the way. So I have some tape there just as a guide, but this you really have to do kind of by sight. Alright, there's that one done. And then this guy, our marks are in a different orientation, so I'm going to try and split the difference between the two that are running from about 8 and 2. There we go. And same here, you can go a little deeper because this is a thicker piece, but again, don't go too deep, because on the back of here you're going to put either a tenon or a recess, and you've got to still carve out the inner part of your bowl. So be careful with that. Alright, so that's enough of that. I will go ahead and take care of those off camera, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll get this one edited and have it out in the next couple of days. Have a good day.